Hello everyone, welcome you to our YouTube channel. Do you like planting? But planting in your house or balcony causes water leakage. And also you have a space problem here. Is the solution to that problem? Today's video topic is self-watering pots. You can use the bottom pot as water storage. It has a 3-liter water capacity. You can view details on the screen. How it will work: we put green wick in planting pot before adding soil in it for capillary action. 4 rings for bottle holding at 4 corners of the pot. Now plant your plant in a pot, and in 2 rings we put a bottle for water, and the remaining holes we can use for extra plants. Now we will see how we can make over our balcony with self-watering pots. Firstly, we remove our all plants from the balcony. Now put our new invention, that is bottom and top pot, and plant your plants. On a wall, we are using new stands for space saving. Here we put our bottom pot by sliding. Now put top pots with plants. Also, we can water with the help of pipe for easy water supply. By this method, you can easily give water to plants in equal amounts. The second method for a glass balcony plant, all plants on a stand, it gives a classic look to your balcony. Benefits of self-watering plant pots is water once a month, specifically space saving. Clean balcony, 10 to 50-year lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.